Monday, January 20th, 2025, you may have logged into TikTok and found it down. But did you know our favorite video editing app called Capcut also got taken down at that same time? Capcut might have been banned or restricted in some countries because of a few reasons that are a bit of a mix of tech and politics. The main reason Capcut went down is due to privacy and security concerns. Long story short, Capcut is owned by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. Some governments are worried about how apps, like these, collect and store user data. They fear the personal information might be shared with other governments, especially in countries like China. In places like the US and India, some apps from China have been banned due to political tensions. Governments sometimes worry about foreign tech companies having too much control over their citizens' data, which leads to apps like Capcut being blocked. But good news! The next day, on January 21st, Capcut is back. This might happen again, I wouldn't be surprised, but for now, you know the why behind what's going on.